So good. I'm not hyping. I'm not even hyping. When you get it, you know what I'm talking about. On today's video, I'll be talking about body butters. Yeah, body butters. Guys, you know how important body butter is. Body butter is very, very, very important. All right. If you need that extra moisture, extra hydration, body butter is the bomb. And also not just for extra hydration, moisture, or whatever. If you have a thin skin, body butter is also very, very good for you. All right. You have green veins, you react a lot, like you have all these cream reactions or whatever, especially green vein. You have a very sensitive skin, body butter is the go-to for you. Another thing is, aside from you having a thin skin, it's always good for extra hydration, like I said. Okay, so if you have a thin skin, yeah, you can use oil too, but I prefer body butter is nice. I use oil and I also use body butter. But if you ask me my go-to, the one that I prefer body butter because I have a very sensitive skin. And body butter has this, it has this repair properties, all right? It penetrates deeper into your skin and then it repairs all that needs to be repaired. So if you know that you've used harsh chemicals, harsh creams in the past, and then you're looking for something to repair your skin, I would suggest that you go for body butter. Body butter should be your go-to. You should not skip body butters. Okay, there are lots of body butters out there. All right, we have shea butter, we have cocoa butter, we have mango butter, we have avocado butter, we have a lot of body butters. Okay, but I want to show you the body butter that I use. This is the body butter that I use. All right, this is the body butter that I use. All right, so it has shea butter, it has avocado oil, and then sweet almond oil. Okay guys, I like this body butter so much because it's so hydrating. It moisturizes my skin real good. I like how my skin feels after using this body butter. All right, so this is the body butter I use, and I got it from a skincare brand called Nokwire. All right, Nokwire is a Ghanaian brand. All right, and they have amazing products. So that's the body butter that I use. You can get yours anywhere as long as it's body butter. You are good to go. You must not be from maybe a certain brand or whatever, but this is what I use and you might be interested in it. This is the body butter here. You can see that I've used a reasonable amount of it. All right, so guys, try it out and you would not regret it. Yeah. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. I'm not hyping. I'm not even hyping. When you get it, you know what I'm talking about. If you've not included body butters on your skincare routine, please, I urge you to do so today. Okay? If you know you want that silky, smooth, textured, good looking, silky, smooth skin, if you want that, then you should include body butters on your skincare routine. Let me know the body butters that you prefer, or if you use a body butter and how it makes you feel. All right, so just drop everything on the comment section. If you have questions, please drop them on the comment section. I will be there to attend to every and any of your questions. Okay, so yeah, let's share ideas. Okay, that is what I wanted to share with you guys on today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.